Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to add a profile picture on Trello. If you are new to Trello, then don't worry. Our channel will be posting tutorials on how to do things on Trello. But today, what I'm going to teach you is how to add a profile picture on Trello. It is very easy to do, no complex process. All you have to do is open Trello on your browser or you can just install Trello on Play Store. Alright, if you already have Trello installed on your phone, let's go ahead and launch the app. Okay, to change your profile picture on Trello, all you have to do is tap these three lines on the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap Settings. After that, let us look for Profile and Visibility under the General criteria. So let's go ahead and select that. After doing that, it will lead us to a browser. Just log in to your account if they are asking you to do so. And we are almost done. But before we continue with the video, please don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with our content. Let's continue with the video. To add a profile picture on Trello, just tap on your profile. So let's just zoom in first. Tap on your profile. And after doing that, just select Manage Account. Trello will once again redirect us to another tab. A lot of redirecting right now, but don't worry, this will be the last one. Just go ahead and tap your profile once again. After doing that, what we want to do is tap Add Profile Photo. Tap Upload a Photo. Hit Allow. And then choose whatever you want to use as your profile picture. I am going to use this one. And then hit Done and rearrange it. And then tap Upload. And that is how you add a profile picture on your Trello account. If you found this video helpful, then please share it to your friends so we can help them too. And as always, thank you for watching.